Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in a Buick Enclave. First, let's begin with some essential initial checks. Start by inspecting your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can severely restrict airflow. Next, observe the AC compressor clutch to ensure it engages when the AC is turned on. Finally, use an AC manifold gauge set to check the refrigerant pressure, as low refrigerant is a very common issue. If your refrigerant is low, the next step is to find the leak. Use your manifold gauges to get precise readings on both the high and low pressure sides. Visually inspect all AC components, including hoses and connections, for any oily residue or green dye, which are common signs of a leak. Sometimes, a small leak might require a UV dye kit to pinpoint its exact location within the system. The AC compressor is the heart of your system, so its proper function is crucial. If the clutch isn't engaging, check the electrical connection and the compressor itself. Also, don't forget to inspect the AC fuses and relays, typically found in the underhood fuse box. A blown fuse or a faulty relay can easily prevent the compressor from activating, leading to no cold air. Finally, let's ensure air is actually reaching your cabin. Check that the blower motor operates correctly at all fan speeds. A failing motor might only work intermittently or not at all. The blend door actuator controls the air temperature, so confirm it moves freely to switch between hot and cold air. Proper airflow from all vents is essential for effective cooling throughout your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.